I bought this little tea warmer last week. It's January 2025, and I'm really glad I bought it. There's an area, oh, there's my cat. She's going to check it out. Get back, baby. There's a little area where you can slip the candle in, and it keeps my tea and coffee nice and warm, and it saves multiple trips to the microwave, which I really love. But I really like it. Oh, I wish it, no, don't get in there. I wish that this heated up more to act as a room warmer, but gee, you can't have everything, I guess. Still, it's a very good product, and I'm glad I bought it.